Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Time Farm listing update. Big news coming soon? The crypto world is buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. Time Farm, $2, has been making waves, and now everyone's asking, could a major exchange listing be just around the corner? Let's break it down. Since launching in June 2024, Time Farm has skyrocketed in popularity, quickly becoming one of the most talked about projects in the crypto space. With its innovative reward system that allows users to earn based on the time they spend in the ecosystem, it's been a game changer for those looking for something unique in blockchain. By October 2024, Time Farm had already hit a staggering 28 million total users. Yes, you heard that right. With 15 million daily active users and 6.6 million Telegram bot users, the growth has been nothing short of explosive. And now, all eyes are on what comes next. The big question, is a listing coming in March 2025? The community is on fire. The buzz is palpable. Time Farm's official X account has been dropping cryptic posts and updates, hinting at major moves ahead. With mentions of new partnerships, ecosystem upgrades, and sneak peeks at upcoming developments, there's a sense that something huge is coming soon. The community is all in, and their excitement is spreading like wildfire. Let's not forget about Time Farm's Telegram, which has turned into a vibrant hub for real-time updates and lively discussions. With more and more users interacting, it's clear that anticipation is building. Everyone's waiting for the big reveal. Why a listing could be a game changer. Picture this. Time Farm gets listed on a top centralized exchange, CX. That's not just a milestone, it's a potential game changer. A CX listing would open the floodgates for new users to easily buy and trade $2, massively increasing liquidity and driving up trading volume. We've seen time and again how a listing can send a project's price and market interest soaring, and Time Farm's supporters are hoping for the same kind of success. But it's not just about price. A listing on a major exchange also means credibility. These exchanges don't list tokens without doing their homework. And the fact that Time Farm is even being considered shows it's been through the rigorous vetting process. A successful listing could boost investor confidence and draw even more users into the fold. Looking ahead, Time Farm's 2025 roadmap. This is just the beginning. Time Farm has big plans for 2025 that could solidify its place at the top of the blockchain space. Here's a sneak peek at what's in store. Early 2025. A new farming mechanism and the token generation event, TG, will shake things up, bringing fresh opportunities to the ecosystem. Mid-2025, the launch of a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, and a cutting-edge social network analysis tool will enhance user experience and bring more power to the community. Late 2025, a token burning system will be introduced, reducing inactive tokens while rewarding those who stay engaged and active. What's next for Time Farm? While there's no official word yet on a listing, the excitement surrounding Time Farm is undeniable. With a growing user base, a loyal community, and a bold roadmap for 2025, it's clear this project is gearing